Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Of course, just my luck, my sewing machine stopped working in the middle of my birthday dress. So come with me to take my baby to the doctor. I found this place on Google, and girl, he was in the basement. I called beforehand. He was super nice, so let me bring her in. Meantime, I did order me another machine. This is the Heavy Duty Singer 4411. I'm going to be unboxing her and showing you some few things about it. If you would like for me to do a comparison video from this sewing machine and my other sewing machine, which is also a Singer sewing machine, just comment below. And please do not mind my voice. I just had Friendsgiving, and baby, a time was had. Okay, now let's get into the details. So it does come with some accessories, and within these accessories, there's a few things that's included. So you have a purpose foot, a general purpose foot, which is going to be like your basic foot, and that is already on the machine. We're going to see that in a minute. It comes with a zipper foot, a buttonhole foot, a button sewing foot, an edge quilting guide, a pack of needles, which I really love because needles can kind of be expensive. And if you're a beginner, you might go through a few. This right here is a double, it's double purpose. So it's a seam ripper and a brush that will be helpful to clean inside where your bobbin goes into, or just when you open up the machine to clean inside the machine. It comes with a spool cap, a spool pin, a spool felt, a screwdriver, a seam ripper, and a dust cover, which you'll be seeing shortly. Now, is this sewing machine beginner friendly? Absolutely. I think it's beginner friendly because it has a limited amount of thread styles. It has 11. It's very straightforward. All you have to do is twist it out to change the stitch. So I think it's very straightforward. It is heavy duty. Now, a lot of the reviews beg to differ. But what I would say that I really do like, and this is a machine that I was absolutely looking for, this machine stitches 1,100 stitches at once. So it's very powerful, very fast. So I just wanted to add that in there. It did come with instructions and a manual, which I highly recommend to always read the manual, but they also offer a video manual. And I think that it's very essential, especially when you're investing a lot of money into these items. You do want to know how to properly use them. So this is the dust cover, super cute and basic. Not too much to it. But here's the machine itself. It's a nice size. It has a good weight to it. The inside part is metal, and then the outside is plastic. So you do have directions on how to thread your machine. You can change the tension of your thread, the needle position, the width, the length. And then these are also the different stitches that are available with the machine. This is a presser foot machine, meaning in order to use the machine, you will have to use the presser foot. There are machines that are electric, and you don't have to use the presser foot. Not electric, computerized, and you don't have to use the presser foot. This one is not one of those. So you will have to use the presser foot. Which, I mean, I kind of like, I kind of don't. Sometimes I do like to have the computerized one, which is my other machine. So again, if you want me to do a comparison below, comment below, and I will go ahead and make that video for you guys. So just a little bit more about the machine itself. You can use a variety of different fabrics. So you can use lightweight fabrics, heavyweight. You can even double the fabrics. You can use leather on this. So this is definitely going to allow you to use different types of heavyweight fabric. I feel like that's where the heavy duty comes in. If you notice, I do prefer to hold my sewing machine from the arm. I don't really like to hold it from the handle. I just like to feel secure. It does have, as you can see, I removed that that compartment. This is allowing you to do a free arm. So this compartment is storage, and you can free arm the machine if you are hemming like some pants or a sleeve. This is going to allow you to put the fabric right around that area and get really close. This is the all-purpose foot. That little lever is what will allow you to drop it. This is going to allow you to drop the foot, attach to the foot, and then you're all set. So super cute. Again, this is just a basic unboxing. If you'd like for me to go in more detail, or if you would like for me to do a project with the machine, comment below. Thanks, guys. The links for this sewing machine and other sewing tools will be down below in the caption. If you made it this far in my video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I am a growing channel, and I am learning and working hard to grow my channel. Thanks again, guys.